Hi, my name is Helen, and the primary focus of my research is around collecting a vocabulary of words and phrases that mothers in the Dú Chaocháin Gaeltacht of County Mayo use when bringing up children, so-called Motherese, as well as gathering vocabulary relating to health, anatomy, adolescence, and other ordinary domestic language, such as around household management and household chores. The secondary focus of my research is to investigate a number of linguistic features of the Chaocha Irish that have been more or less overlooked in previous studies and therefore require investigation. The motivation behind my research is that previous studies on the Chaocha Irish have relied almost entirely on male informants, and the consequence of this gender bias in the existing studies is that much of the vocabulary that has been collected centres around what is traditionally male topics such as farming, fishing, or pottery making, while on the other hand, topics relating to traditionally female pursuits such as childbearing, childrearing, and household management have been mostly overlooked, mostly ignored, and therefore this type of vocabulary hasn't been recorded. Unfortunately, there is an urgency around the need to gather this vocabulary due to the declining numbers of speakers of the Chaocha Irish. The majority of the informants that I have identified for this study are already aged over 60, so the need to complete this work as soon as possible can't be overstated. Thank you for taking the time to view my poster presentation.